One, two, three.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Selamat malam teman-teman sekalian. Pada kesempatan kali ini kami akan mendiskusikan sebuah bab di buku grammar bahasa Inggris. Tapi sebelum itu kami akan memperkenalkan diri kami. Oke, dari saya sendiri, perkenalkan, nama saya Alfa Patwa. Biasanya orang-orang yang memanggil saya Alfa. Saat ini saya merupakan mahasiswa Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis jurusan Akuntansi Universitas Hasanuddin.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Andi Muhammad Jalal. Biasanya orang-orang memanggil saya Andi atau Kar. Saat ini saya sedang bersekolah atau kuliah di kampus Universitas Makassar dengan jurusan Fakultas Kesehatan Ilmu Kedokteran dengan prodi pendidikan dokter.
Okay. What you are going to do? What are you going to do? Setakat jelaskan bahasa Indonesia dulu aja.
Oke, bahasa Indonesia dulu.
Ya.
Kami akan menjelaskan bab 8 di dalam buku grammar ini.
Oke. Semuanya ya.
Ya.
Apa itu materinya?
Materinya itu expressing past time.
Expressing
Iya, artinya ekspresi mengekspresikan di waktu lampau.
Oke.
Waktu lampau using be past time, menggunakan be
Oke.
minggu yang lalu. Ayo. Exercise 1, sentence practice.
No, practice.
Latihan 1, latihan kalimat.
Directions, arahan-arahan. Change the sentences to past time. Ganti kalimat-kalimat ke masa lampau.
1. Bob is in class today. Pertama, Bob berada di kelas, dalam kelas hari ini. For the past of that sentence is he was in class yesterday too. Dia telah berada di kelas.
Dia di kelas juga.
Dia di kelas juga kemarin.
2. I am in class today. Saya di kelas hari ini. Past time, I was. Saya di kelas hari ini. To past time, I was in class yesterday too. Saya di kelas kemarin juga.
Okay, number 3. Mary is at the library not today. Mary berada di perpustakaan hari ini. For the past from that sentence is Mary was the library yesterday. Mary juga berada di perpustakaan kemarin.
4. We're in class today. Kami di kelas hari ini. For the past time, we were in class yesterday. Kami juga di kelas kemarin.
Number 5. You're busy today. Kamu sibuk hari ini. For the past from that sentence is you were busy a week ago. Oh, kamu juga sibuk seminggu yang lalu.
6. I'm happy today. Saya senang hari ini. For the past time, I was happy yesterday too. Saya juga senang Saya juga senang kemarin.
Okay. 7. The classroom is hot today. 7. Ruangan kelas hari ini panas. For the past is the classroom was hot today. The classroom was hot yesterday. Ruangan kelas juga panas kemarin.
8. Anne is in her office today. Anne di kantornya hari ini. For the past time, Anne was in her office yesterday too. Anne juga di kantornya kemarin.
Alright, number 9. Tom is in his office today. 9. Tom berada di kantornya hari ini. For the past is Tom was in his office. Tom juga berada di kantornya kemarin.
10. Anne and Tom are in their offices today. Anne dan Tom di kantornya hari ini. For the past time, they were in their offices yesterday too. Mereka juga di kantornya kemarin. Yes, that's me.
Okay, now we move to exercise 3. Sentence practice, latihan 3, praktek kalimat.
Directions, arahan-arahan, study the time expressions, then complete the sentences. Use wasn't or were. Use a past time expression.
Oke, petunjuk-petunjuk pelajaran mengenai ekspresi waktu, kemudian lengkapi kalimat, gunakan wasn't atau yang telah lampau, or weren't. Wasn't ini buat yang subjeknya she, he, it, tapi sudah lampau dan negatif. For the weren't is for the subject you, they, are.
You, Dewi.
You, Dewi. For the past negative. Use the past time expression, gunakan past time atau waktu lampau di latihan ini. Terus number one?
Yes.
You?
You.
Okay. We move to the question. Number one, Ken is here today, but he wasn't here yesterday. Ken ada di sini hari ini, tetapi dia tidak ada di sini kemarin.
2. I am at home tonight. Saya di rumah malam ini. But, tetapi, I wasn't at home last night. Saya tidak di rumah tengah malam.
Okay, number 3.
Tadi malam.
Last night.
Ya, oke. Good.
Okay, number 3. Olga is busy today, but he was busy yesterday. Olga.
He wasn't.
Yes.
But.
But he wasn't busy yesterday.
Oke.
Olga hari ini sibuk, tetapi dia tidak sibuk kemarin.
4. Tom is at the library.
Library.
Tom is at the library tonight. Tom di perpustakaan malam ini. But, tetapi, he wasn't at the library last night. Dia tidak di perpustakaan tengah malam. Ya.
Okay, number 5. Alex and Rita are work at this afternoon, but they weren't at work yesterday. Alex dan Rita di kantor sore ini, tetapi mereka tidak berada di kantor kemarin.
6. You're here today. Kalian atau kamu? Kamu di sini hari ini. But, tetapi you weren't here yesterday. Kemarin kamu tidak di sini.
Okay, we move to number 7. Dr. Ruckman is in her office this morning, but he wasn't in her office this yesterday. Office yesterday. Morning.
Yes. This morning.
Yesterday morning.
Oh, yesterday morning. Sorry, Mister. I forgot. Dr. Ruckman hari ini berada di kantor pagi ini, tapi dia tidak berada di kantor kemarin pagi.
8. It's cool.
Call.
It's cold this week. Musim batuk di pekan ini.
Bukan dingin.
Oh,
Pekan ini dingin.
pekan ini dingin. But, tetapi it wasn't cold this last week.
Okay.
No less.
Last week.
Yeah, make it better.
Tetapi pekan kemarin, pekan akhir.
Tetapi
Tetapi tidak dingin di pekan lalu.
minggu lalu.
Pekan lalu. Ya.
Okay.
That's good.
Now we move to exercise 7, question practice, latihan 7, praktek pertanyaan.
Ya. Directions, arahan-arahan, make questions and give short answers. Buat pertanyaan dan berikan jawaban pendek. Ya.
Okay, for number 1, were you at home last night? Apakah kamu di rumah tadi malam? No, I wasn't.
No, you answer.
Oh, sorry, Mister.
I think that's dialogue.
Oh, dialogue. Okay, I will
Okay.
repeat. For number 1, were you at home last night?
Translate.
Apakah kamu di rumah tadi malam?
B. No, tidak. I wasn't. Saya tidak.
Number 2,
Apa jawaban panjangnya?
Maaf, Mister.
No. Okay, go on.
Number 2, was Mr. Were Mr. Yamamoto absent from class yesterday?
Where atau was?
Oh, sorry. Was tuh sorry. Apakah Tuan Yoma Mato absen atau tidak hadir di kelas kemarin?
To be, yes, he was. Dia absent. Dia tidak hadir.
Number 3. Were Oscar and Anya at home last night? Apakah Oscar dan Anya di rumah tadi malam?
3B, yes, they were. Dia ada di rumah tengah malam.
4. Were you nervous from the first day of class? Apakah kamu gugup pada hari pertama kelas?
4B, no, tidak. They weren't. Dia tidak gugup.
5.
No apa?
They weren't.
No, weren't. Weren't.
Weren't.
Iya.
No, they weren't.
Iya.
Ya,
Mereka tidak.
mereka gugup. Mereka
tidak gugup.
Ya.
Okay, number 5. A. Was Ahmad at the library last night? Apakah Ahmad di perpustakaan tadi malam?
5B, yes, he was. Dia di perpustakaan tadi malam.
Number 6. Was Mr. Shin in class yesterday? Apakah Tuan Sin di dalam kelas kemarin?
6B, no, tidak. She wasn't. Dia tidak di kelas kemarin.
Where
No, she
were-
wasn't. Dia tidak saja.
Dia tidak salah.
Okay, next. Where was Mr. Shin yesterday? Di mana Tuan Sin kemarin?
6B, at home, di rumah.
Okay, now we move to number 7. Were you and your family in Canada last year? Apakah kamu dan keluarga kamu di Kanada tahun lalu?
7B, no, tidak. They weren't. Dia tidak. Mereka tidak.
Where were they in last year? Di mana?
Where you
mereka?
go? Where you go?
You di sini.
You. What is it? They sih.
Deh, karena lo toh you dan your. Kamu dan lo yang jadi kayak pasti satu Ji.
Oh ya.
Deh. Di situ Mister.
Apa?
Your dan your di pertanyaan selanjutnya saya ubah ke day.
Siapa yang suruh?
Oh nggak bisa ya? Ya udah,
Ya.
sorry. Oke, where were you and your family?
You and your family.
Where were you and your family last year?
Where were you and your family?
Where were you and your family
Last year.
last year?
Oke.
Kenapa?
7B, in Ireland. Di Ireland.
Irlandia.
Irlandia.
Jadi kayak gini ya sebelum lanjut. Kalian itu ada kan petunjuknya.
Ya.
Ketika ada petunjuknya, kalau tidak disuruh ganti kata-katanya jangan. Karena kalau nanti ada ujian yang sesungguhnya, meskipun benar pasti salah. Hah?
Baik, Mister.
Meskipun kalian paham itu bahan soal, sebenarnya benar kan? Boleh dikasih kata ganti, tapi nggak ada perintahnya, jangan dilakukan itu. Oke, go next.
Okay, next number 8.
Number 8.
Were you be at the library right now? Apakah kamu berada di perpustakaan saat ini?
Were you?
Were you?
Kenapa? Now? Untuk saat sekarang?
Are you? Sorry. Sorry, I'll repeat. Are you at the library right now?
Bukan were you, are you kan?
Iya, are you, Mister?
Kau jawaban.
8B, no, I wasn't.
Ini pertanyaannya present.
No, they weren't.
No, I isn't.
Oh iya, ya.
Were you and your
Yes,
family?
Hah?
No. Apa?
Oh, Yuji, Mister.
Were you? No, I.
No, I wasn't.
Isn't.
I isn't.
Kenapa nah? I isn't semua.
No, I'm not. Sorry.
No, I'm
No, I'm
not.
not.
Kan present kan?
Iya.
Sorry. No, I'm not.
8B, no.
Kau pulpenmu mana? Where is your
I'm
pen?
not. Dalam sana.
Ambil lah. Ya. Oke.
Okay,
No, I am not.
HB, no, tidak. I'm not.
Bukan
saya
not,
tidak.
no.
No, I'm not. Tidak, saya tidak.
Okay, next. Where were you at right now? Where were you?
Right now itu apa? Present kan?
Iya.
Where are you right now?
Oh, astaga. Sorry. Okay, I'll repeat. I'm sorry for the mistake.
Kalian dikirain semua pas.
Where
Where are you
are you
right now?
right now?
Iya kan sekarang, tau nggak mungkin lampau toh?
Iya. Di mana kamu saat ini?
HB in class, di kelas.
Okay, now we move to exercise 9, question practice, latihan 9, praktek pertanyaan.
Directions, arahan-arahan. Make questions and give short answers. Buat pertanyaan-pertanyaan dan berikan jawaban pendek. Jawaban pendek.
Ya.
I think you the question. You first the question.
One
One.
A. Were you in class yesterday? Apakah kamu di kelas kemarin?
1B, yes I was. Ya, saya iya.
2A. Is Anita in class today? Apakah Anita di kelas hari ini?
2B, no, she isn't. She absent.
She was. Mana kata kerjanya?
Ya.
She. The question. I wanna know the question.
Is Anita
Okay.
in class today?
Okay. What is your answer, Oka?
No, she isn't. She is absent. Tidak, dia tidak hadir.
Okay. No,
Eh.
dia tidak aja.
3A.
Oh ya.
Were you tired last night? Apakah kamu lelah tadi malam?
2B, yes I was. I went to bed early. Ya, saya ingin ke kasur lebih cepat.
4A. Are you hungry right now? Apakah kamu lapar sekarang?
4B, no, no,
I'm not.
oh, I'm not, but I'm thirsty. 4D, tidak, tapi saya haus.
4A.
5A.
5A. Was it weather hot in New York? Weather hot in New York City last summer. Apakah cuaca di kota New York panas di musim panas?
Ya.
Di musim panas sebelumnya.
5B, yes it was very hot. 5B, ya, itu sangat panas.
Next.
6. What's the weather?
No, weather.
What's the weather?
Ah.
What's the weather cold in Alaska in the winter? Apakah cuaca dingin di Alaska musim dingin?
Ya, pada musim dingin.
Pada musim dingin.
6B, yes it was, it's very cold. 6B, ya,
It was very cold.
it was,
Mana kata kerjanya?
oh ya, it was, yes it was, it's very cold.
It was.
Yes it was.
It was very cold. Kalau it
Oh,
paham?
very cold. It was very cold. Ya, itu sangat dingin.
Number 7. Nomor 7. 7A. Where you and Muhammad?
Oh, very
Sorry. Where you go and Muhammad here yesterday afternoon?
Where were
Where were?
Yoko and Muhammad?
Where were Yuko and Muhammad here yesterday afternoon?
Bagaimana masukmu itu?
Where were Yuko and Muhammad?
Where were?
Di mana?
Di mana?
Bukan ini enggak di yes gitu.
Ya.
Where Yuko and Muhammad?
Here yesterday afternoon?
Ya.
Yes sir.
Cara bacanya yang aneh.
Where Yuko and Muhammad?
Bukan
Where?
where. Sorry. Where Yuko?
Where Yuko?
Where bukan where. Where itu di mana?
Where?
Where.
Where?
Ah,
Where?
ya.
Where? Oke. Were Yuko and Muhammad here yesterday afternoon? Apakah Yuko dan Muhammad di sini kemarin sore?
Yes, they were. Ya, mereka di sini kemarin.
8A, 8A. Were the students in this class intelligent? Apakah murid-murid di kelas ini pintar?
8B, of course they were.
Boleh, of course they were. Boleh.
They are?
Were pertanyaanmu kan?
Oh iya.
They are very intelligent.
They
They are very. Oh,
Kenapa?
They were, sorry.
Iya,
Kalau
they-
pertanyaanmu present, makanya jawabnya present, nggak mungkin ketemu lampau.
They are.
I will repeat my answer.
Makanya gue bilang tadi, kalian itu harus kerja sama, lihat apa yang salah.
8B, of course they were. They were very intelligent. Ya, mereka sangat pintar.
9A, 9A.
9,
9A.
bukan name.
9A.
Name itu bahasa Jerman, artinya tidak.
9A. 9A. Is Mr. Tom absent today? Apakah Mr. Tom absent atau tidak hadir hari ini?
9B, yes it is. Ya.
Yesterday atau apa tuh?
Today, sir.
Ya, oke today. Go on, next.
Next, and then
9A. Where he is right now? Gimana dia?
Where he is?
Where he is right now? Gimana dia sekarang?
Over.
in bed.
No. The question. The question. Pertanyaannya.
Where is Mr. Tuk today?
Ya.
Oh salah ya? Kan Mr.
Kan she is handsome. Is she handsome? She is at school. Dia di sekolah. Is she at school? Di mana? Apakah dia di sekolah? Tanyakan sekolahnya. Where is she? Bukan where she is.
Oh iya, berarti dia bertanya lagi di sini di mana dia sekarang, Pak?
Where is she? Where is?
Where is Mr. Tuk today?
Where is Mr.
Talk today.
Tidak masalah, salah. Yang penting mau memperbaiki kesalahan. Karena yang salah itu yang bisa diperbaiki. Kalau tidak ada di kerja, tidak ada bisa
Dan
diperbaiki.
pikiran begini, Sir.
Hmm.
Kemarin kan dia ini tadi kan absen ki, tidak hadir ki Mr. Top. Jadi yang pertanyaan keduanya, di mana pada sekarang Mr. Top?
Ya, where is he now?
Where is he right now? Bisa begitu?
Boleh.
Where is he right now?
Where is
Where
he
is
right
he
now?
right now? Oh,
Ya
gitu,
boleh.
benar.
Yang jadi pertanyaan menjadi masalah itu where she is. He is kamu tadi harusnya is
he?
is he atau is she,
Ya.
ya kan?
Oke, Sir.
Ngerti?
Ya.
Translate
Oke, next.
Translate dulu.
Di mana Mr. Top hari ini?
Baru jawaban kata ganti dia. He is at
Oke. He is at bench.
mana itu?
Dari bench kan tadi?
Beda.
Oh, Juman bukan?
I don't know.
Siapa Juman itu? Oh, Juman.
I don't know, sir.
Oh.
Ya, dia nggak boleh.
Oke, I don't know. Saya tidak mengetahuinya.
Ya boleh. Penting benar toh.
I don't know, Mr.
Yes.
Top. 10I.
10A.
10A.
I itu saya.
10A. Were Tony and Benito at the party last night? Di mana? Apakah? Where were Tony and
No, where we are. Susah membedakan
where
where. Ah.
where were Tony and Benito at the party last night?
Apa maksudnya pertanyaan
Ini Tony and Benito at the party last night. Di mana?
Apa?
Di mana Tony
Dan
dan Bonito
Tadi malam?
pada saat party tadi malam kan sempat pergi Sir? Atau hilang ki mendadak.
Apa jawabannya di situ?
No. Yang di mana?
Halaman berapa?
220, Mister.
Bukan where sih?
Hah?
Bukan where.
Ya, ini akibat kalian kan sudah aku kasih saran.
Where? Dari where sih?
Terlalu miring atau?
Tunggu. Di mana? Enggak, bukan libur tanya karena kan ada yang di sini apa? Party gitu ya semi. Enggak perlu pakai where.
Bagian apa ini? Nomor berapa? 10A atau B?
Mister.
Tidak ada yes no question ini.
Iya.
Where Tony and Benito at the party last night. Ngerti?
Ya cocok berarti sekarang.
Iya, iya. Kenapa lu tambahin di mana?
Udah snack nih dulu.
Kan ada masalah lah snacknya itu. Di malam ada masalah tulisan.
Apakah Tony dan
Apakah kau dan Bonnie?
Kan itu yes no question, no jawabannya.
Yes, I know. Yes.
Ah.
Ya. Wah, sorry. 10A, 10A. Were Tony and Benito at the party last night? Apakah Tony
No less, last.
last night? Apakah Tony dan Benito ada di party tadi malam?
Di pesta.
Di pesta tadi malam. Ya. Oke. No.
Then we know they weren't.
No, dia bareng. Nah, kawan,
They
kamu
were.
tanya.
They were. 10A. Where were they last night?
Ya, where were they last night?
Ya. Di mana?
Dia tadi malam.
Di mana mereka tadi malam?
They were at home.
Ya, good.
Mereka di rumah.
Okay, do you understand?
Di kelas.
Ya.
Okay, go on next.
11A. 11A. Was Ami out of town last week? Apakah Ami keluar kota pekan lalu?
11B, yes, she was. Yeah.
Ya.
11A. 11A. Where was she go last week?
Where was?
Where was she go?
Nggak bisa.
Where was
Where did she go? Simple past verbal. Oh,
Where did she go?
Saya besok maunya benar-benar diikuti. Sebelum kalian masuk di sini, ya kan? Kalian benar-benar dengar dulu. Kalian benar-benar ikuti itu saran. Cek dulu sebelum kalian masuk di video. Ngerti?
Ya.
Ini jadinya kayak gini. Mestinya yang kecil-kecil gitu kan bisa nih dibedakan. Mana nominal, mana verbal. Paham ya?
Gue nyetak di sini dulu. Where did she go last week? Di mana dia pergi pekan lalu?
Ya, bagus.
Okay. She go.
Datang juga ini.
She was. Yeah, she was.
Sama semua.
Wait.
Simple past.
Was
Jadinya
She went.
she went.
She went.
Ya,
She went to France.
she went to French.
Yeah, to French.
Dia pergi ke
Kalau
Prancis.
jawabannya
She went.
was she went go to home last week?
Apa itu bertanya itu?
Was she? Oh iya. Berarti she went jelas.
She went, dia pergi.
She
Dia
went go to home.
Kenapa nggak double? Kan perubahan kata kerja, perubahan itu bukan nambah. Kan perduanya go apa?
When?
Kenapa ditambah go lagi kalau sudah lampau? Kembali ke present. Pernahkah waktu lampau dengan waktu
Nggak.
lalu dengan waktu yang
Ya.
sekarang bertemu?
Enggak.
Tidak pernah.
Berarti was she went to home?
Kenapa dia bertanya lagi?
Bukan. Langsung lagi. Sorry. She went to home.
Nah, she went home, langsung aja. Ampun saya ini. Oke.
Exercise 10.
Oh, udah.
Udah selesai video itu. Enggak, selesai baca ya, berdua kok. Emang aku mau ke sudah toh?
Iya.
Hmm.
Aku lupa coba. 12A. Where Mr. and Mr. Rice in town this week? Apakah
Ini lampau atau present itu?
Lampau,
Lampau atau saat ini?
Lampau. Last week.
Present. Itu ya, they are berarti dia present.
Oh iya.
Salah, saya Mister, saya nggak checking.
Are Mr. and Mr. Rice in town this week?
Ya, this week.
Apakah Mr. N dan Mr. Rice di kota
Minggu ini.
pekan ini, minggu ini?
11B, no, they aren't.
12.
12.
Cocok nih.
12B.
Langsung aja. No, they aren't.
No, they aren't. Tidak.
They're.
Oh. Oh, they're out of town.
Ya, town.
Mereka meninggalkan kota ini.
Mereka keluar kota ya.
Mereka keluar kota.
12A, 12 tahun. Oh, where were they out of?
Kenapa lagi ada di Lampau lagi? Keluar kotanya kan sekarang. Kenapa kok pertanyaan Lampaunya?
Where are they go?
Where are they now?
Where are they now?
Ya. Ngerti?
Dia menanyakan ke posisinya sekarang di mana?
Ya. Jawabannya they are.
Okay, they are in Indonesia.
Ya, they are in Indonesia. Ngerti?
Nah, perlu